Hello, this is Tony Bojorquez. Welcome to Sika Software's online seminar series for 2014. Sika strives to bring you modular presentations that help to understand the importance of business metrics in helping your business succeed. This is Module 1, Section 2, Navigating from the Home Page. In this seminar, we will review how the different tabs along the top of the Practice Optimizer homepage open the different dashboards of the application. In addition, we will explore the 6 module divisions on homepage and learn how to customize the dashboard along with the other functions. We will also briefly touch on Patients Now, Reports Marketplace, and Patient Homepage modules. With that said, let's log on. Once you've arrived at the home page, you'll notice that this Practice Optimizer 2 application is branded with the ADA logo. This logo can be changed or updated by selecting the tool, sprocket, or gear in the upper right-hand side. Select My Account from the gear and select the Practice logo when it appears in the My Account window dialog box. You can also take a look at our webinar entitled Updating Your Logo Using the Snipping Tool in Windows for specific steps in how to update and change your logo. Once the upload your new logo image, once your upload new logo or change logo icon comes up, you can click on it and grab your already edited PNG file. Again, take a look at the webinar, how to update your logo using the snipping tool in Windows for more help. Let's get back to the home page. The tabs which run along the home page provide a fast and easy way to navigate within Practice Optimizer. Just select your category and click on the selected tab to use that dashboard. The Business tab provides analysis of the practice as a whole. It includes practice trending. On the left side of the screen is the menu of KPI categories. Each category contains different KPIs of business or practice-related graphs and information. Each dashboard provides the ability to select date ranges. By selecting and clicking on a category from the KPI menu, the category will expand to show the KPI nested under the category heading. Note, KPI is an abbreviation for Key Performance Indicator. These are some specific items that are critical to the tracking and to the analysis of practice performance. See our webinar presentation, What is a KPI, for a more detailed explanation on how important KPIs are to tracking human performance. Let's take a look at the Clinical tab. The Clinical tab provides KPIs to evaluate individual provider performance. Within each dashboard, there's a global search which searches the entire program. That's the search in white. And a local or tab search in blue, which searches for items within that specific category. Date ranges are standard in each dashboard and in every KPI, except in some instances, information which may be static in practice management, such as AR displays. The Clinical tab is divided into 3 default categories: doctors, hygienists, and office. Office KPIs are those where all the providers are displayed because of the type of procedure, such as bite wings, which are being posted to both types of providers. By hovering over the bars in the graphs, the program will display information that's specific to that bar. In our example, the hover over for Dr. Tony shows a net production of over $36,000 with a total of 23 days worked. The net is divided by the number of days, resulting in a total of around $1,600 average daily net production. In addition, a fourth category will be displayed on the dashboard. That's in addition to doctor, hygiene, and office KPIs. You can also track custom procedure analysis. The fourth category, the custom procedure analysis, will be displayed if the user creates custom procedure categories, which are found under the gear by selecting settings, then selecting procedure categories. In benchmarking, there is a menu or picks list which represents the assorted categories either based on a specific procedure or specific KPI, such as number of patient visits. By selecting a specific category and a specific provider, the clinical tab will rank that provider against the SICA national averages, or against a specific percentile ranking selected by you, the user. The percentile ranking is based on opt-in practices. These are practices over 7,700 who opt in, who have chosen to allow us to share their data, which is uploaded on a daily basis for your use and comparison. Benchmarking is an ideal place to compare the providers in your practice. And you can compare them to what is happening throughout the dental industry easily. By comparing your providers, you can analyze where there's room for improvement and growth within your practice. Networking is a social, interactive site. Much like Facebook, however, it is geared just for dental professionals. There are several options to launch your presence. Create a profile, invite friends to upload photos, videos, and other digital images to enable sharing of cases amongst your group of friends or with all participants. Networking is HIPAA and high-tech compliant and is designed to allow secure and safe sharing of information. The Optimize Fee tab is where you can generate a fee analysis and a report which helps to optimize your fees. You can optimize your fees based on a database of 55,000 dentists whose fee information is based on zip code level. After the report is generated, you can search through it by procedure code or zoom in on a specific procedure. The program provides default a 1-year look at your practice. It provides a description, procedure count, current fee from your practice management system, and the current total production generated. The report also recommends a new fee based on some default settings within the program. It also provides an estimated increase in production by procedure with a grand total in the report header in the upper right. We have shared this functionality with thousands of dentists over the past 8 years with some very satisfied customers. The ease of use, the program's ability to focus on the procedures that drive your practice in a quick, easy manner makes this a very valuable component of Practice Optimizer. In the menu area, you can select the top 20 procedures for your practice and analyze how much the hygiene department is contributing towards the overall production of your practice. Let's go to the Reports tab. When you select the Report tab, the morning meeting report is automatically generated. Reports are segmented into business reports, clinical reports, and custom reports. These headings are in keeping with the home page tabs. If you want a business tab report, then you should look in the proper segment. As is standard, Reports also has a report search as well as the global search. Either can be used to find the reports needed. All reports are email capable, daily, weekly, or monthly frequencies. And both the morning meeting report and hygiene morning meeting report are customizable, which means that each is composed of modules that can be included or disincluded within the report. Each report can be generated for a date range, and the date range can be changed and regenerated by clicking on Go. There are over 100 reports, and custom reports provides a wizard and an SQL query builder, which are accessible to all users. You can see the custom reports link at the lower left-hand side. By clicking on it, you'll be able to see the custom queries and reports utility. Patients Now is an interface designed to help fill your practice's schedule by providing segmented groupings of patients. For example, number 4 contains patients who have completed active periotherapy and have not been in for a perio maintenance. Patients can now be utilized for any reason where the practice needs to locate patients in order to offer them an opportunity to be seen at an earlier time. Or perhaps for those patients that are overdue for any reason. Patients Now is also offered as an add-on mobile utility for iPhone and Android mobile systems. The Seeka Marketplace provides a central location to find special reports that have been gathered by other customers and built to their specifications. These customers have added these reports to the marketplace in the hopes that some other practice may have use for them at a very economical price. Reports found here can be purchased and downloaded, or perhaps you have a special report that you want created, and you'll also have the option to offer it to other Dental Practice Optimizer users. Navigating through Practice Optimizer is easy, and it becomes very intuitive the more you use it. Select a tab, start a discussion, dive deeper into the program. The home page is the center, the nexus of it all, to quickly navigate around the program and to generate reports, which helps to analyze your practice and reach your goals. Remember, the most important KPI is your success. Thank you for your time. I hope you've enjoyed this section in our series. Goodbye.